Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Titan Cameraman from Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. For this drawing, I'm going to first start off by zooming in on the head. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw a rectangle for the head. Now inside, let's add a circle. And then another circle inside. Next, from the sides near the top here, let's draw a small line out on both sides. Then let's curve it up and in. And then connect it at the top. Next, for the head, let's draw another smaller rectangle underneath. Now let's hop back up to the top and let's draw two vertical lines up. And then a line across to close off the top. Next, let's move over and draw the cameras on the side of the head. On the left side, let's draw a square shape out. And the same thing on the right. And now inside each one, let's add a circle. And then another circle inside each one. Next, underneath, let's add another square on the left and on the right. And then on top, a long rectangle. Now at the top, let's move inside and let's draw a square shape behind. And the same on the right. And now inside, let's add another square for the border. And now inside each one, let's add a grid pattern. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath and let's draw two angles down for the neck. And then a curve across the bottom. Now from both sides, let's draw a curve out for the shoulders. And then let's bring it down. Next, let's hop back to the center and let's draw a circle. And then add another circle inside. Next, let's draw the inside of the jacket. Let's start on the left side of the neck and let's draw a curve down, past the circle like this. And the same on the right. Now let's hop outwards and let's draw diagonal lines for the armpits. And then bring it down on both sides, and let's make it a little bit longer than the inside line. And then close it off with a curve down. Now let's hop inside and add some details to the jacket. Let's start at the top and let's draw a small angle down from both sides. And then angle it down to the center. Now underneath, let's draw a line out and then bring it back in. Now let's hop down on the left side and let's draw 3 black circles for the buttons. And then across on the right side, let's draw 3 lines. Now on the outside, let's draw a rectangle on both sides for the pockets. And that's it for the jacket details. Next, let's move inside and draw the shirt. From under the neck, let's draw 2 V-shaped points for the collar. Now let's hop down and let's draw 2 curves across for the belt. Then inside, a line down, and then to the left, down, in, down, out, and down again for the belt buckle. And now down the center of the shirt, let's draw 2 lines down, but we're going to make it behind the circles. Now let's hop to the outside and draw the arms. From under the armpits, let's draw another angle down. And then 2 lines down on both sides for the arms. And then a curve across the bottom. Next, underneath each sleeve, let's draw another rounded rectangle. And now at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start with a curve down and back up for the thumb, and the same on the right. Then let's curve it down, around, and back up for the rest of the hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's add the cameras on the shoulders. Let's start on top of the shoulders and let's draw 2 lines up and then a line across the top. And now from the top corner, let's draw an angle back down on the inside. Now let's hop to the outside and let's draw 2 angles out on both sides. And now at the end, let's draw a rounded square shape. Next, inside near the top, let's draw 2 small lines in and then another square inside. And then inside, let's add another circle. And now from each of the bottom corners, let's draw another angle back in. And lastly, underneath each armpit, let's draw another line down and in. And the same on the right. And that's it for the upper body. Next, let's move down and add the legs. Let's start underneath the belt buckle and let's draw a line down and curve it up on the right. And then underneath, let's draw 2 angles down for the inside of the legs. And the same thing on the outside. And then close off the bottom of each pant leg with a curve. And that's it for the legs. Next, let's finish drawing the back of the jacket. From the sides, let's curve it back in towards the legs. And then a line across in the middle. Now let's hop down and add the shoes. From the inside, let's draw a curve down on both sides. Then a longer curve on the outside for the tops of the shoes. And now let's connect it with an S-shaped curve at the bottom. Lastly, underneath towards the center, let's draw a rectangle shape down and back up. And that's it for Titan Cameraman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!